happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be reviewing some new gel polishes that I just got in from Madam Glam. This is their January collection and it's called Glam Reborn Collection. So let's hop into the beautiful colors that were sent over. So this here is the collection. All right, so these are all the colors that are included. This definitely is giving like winter muted, even fall vibes. So let's take a closer look at each one. All right, so the first color we have here is Amber Snow. Oh, cute. This is a really nice nude color, like a brownie nude. Very beautiful. Moon Fog. Nice. This here is a kind of soft gray color that leans a little bit lavender, like it has lavender undertones to it. Very pretty. January Blush. Okay, this here is kind of like a mauvey pink color. Twilight Chill. Really beautiful muted blue. It's really pretty. Frozen Sage. And that's a really beautiful sage green color. I quite like that one a lot. Evergreen Mist. Ooh, that's a really nice deep muted green color. Glacier Dust. And this is a really beautiful bluish, kind of lavenderish color, also on the given muted tones. And last but not least is Winter Eclipse. Oh, nice. And this is a nice deep berry color that also has muted undertones to it. So let's get the swatching. Amber Snow. Very pretty. I do like the new brushes that they have on these Madam Glam polishes. They're really cute. And that curved brush really allows you to get right up in the cuticle area without touching the cuticles, which I really appreciate. So that's the first one here. Moon Fog. It's a really pretty color. Cute. January Blush. Twilight Chill. Super cute. I like that blue. This is a perfect like winter blue. It's giving cozy weather. Warm sweater vibes. Frozen Sage. That's cute too. Oh man. Evergreen Mist. Glacier Dust. I really like these new brushes. Those are nice. Cute little dusty blue color. Winter Eclipse. Alrighty, so this is what all these colors are looking like swashed out. They look really, really beautiful. Like I said, really perfect for like this time of the year, the winter time. So first color here is Amber Snow, which is a really beautiful nude color. I really like that one. I feel like that would be really cute on the nails. I am going to be doing my nails with one of these colors, so I got to decide which one I want to do. Next we have Moon Fog, which is a really beautiful, looks like an off-gray color that has lavender undertones. That one's also super cute. We got January Blush, which is this really beautiful, deep muted pink color. Well, deep muted berry color. Twilight Chill, which is this gorgeous muted blue. Frozen Sage, which is this gorgeous sage green color. This one's cute. I might end up doing this one. Evergreen Mist, which is a really beautiful, deeper green that's also muted, Glacier Dust, which is this gorgeous blue that has gorgeous light muted blue with lavender undertones to it as well. This one's different, I like that. Then last but not least, we have Winter Eclipse, which is this deep berry that's also muted as well. So I think this collection is really beautiful. I'm trying to decide again which color I want to use. Not really sure which one to go with here. The sage green would be kind of cute. I don't know that I've ever done sage green on my nails before. That one's also cute. I like that blue also. I did these two. Or do we want to go green? I think I'm gonna go blue with these. So I'm gonna do the Twilight Chill on index and pinky, and then the Glacier Dust on my two, the middle finger and the ring finger. So let's go ahead and get this swatch, get the paint in my nails on this one. So I did already prep my nails off camera. If you all missed the prep for this, I will link that video down in the description box below. But essentially I just push back cuticles, shape the nails, and then buff the surface. I'm gonna go ahead and go over them with another layer of alcohol, just to dehydrate the nail bed a little bit more. And I'm going to be using a peel-off base today. I'm going to be trying out the McCart peel-off base. This is going to be my first time trying it underneath a gel mani to see how long it lasts. So I'm going to go in with a thin coat of this on all the nails. Alright, I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. So that peel-off base has been cured. Next, I'm going to go in with Twilight Chill on my index, my pinky, and my thumbnail. Oh, that's a pretty blue. I quite like that a lot. And like I said, I really do like the brush on these as well, because you can just really get up in that cuticle area nice and tight. So I like that a lot. And y'all can see these are really pigmented, so really you can do one coat coverage, but I am going to go in with 2 coats of coverage. Very nice. And then on my index and, I'm sorry, on my middle and ring finger, I'm going to go in with Glacier Dust. Super cute. Okay, so I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. So this is what the first coat of coverage looks like. I'm going to go in with a second coat of coverage. I did notice that with that peel off base, the color was kind of like pulling away from the sidewalls and the free edge. So I don't know if that's something just specifically to the McCart peel off, but never had that happen before.
The timer go up.
The timer go off? Okay.
Okay, you come.
Yep. Yep, you coming. Alright, and I'll cure that for 60 seconds.
Mommy, no, I don't want it. I want that blue.
You want the blue?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on, sweetie. I don't want you to knock this over.
Please.
Okay, baby. After I'm done, we'll do your nails, okay?
I want that.
Well, we can't do the gel polish on you, but if you could find a blue regular nail polish, I could do that for you.
But that's not even bluer than that one.
You want to go get your nail polish?
No, but that's not bluer than that one.
It's not blue enough?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here, I'll help you find a blue, okay? It can't be this one, though, because it's gel polish. I'll find you one. Just give me a second.
What about this one?
It's all gone. It's all gone. It's empty.
What about this one? Is it gel polish?
That's gel polish, too. Yeah. Yeah. I'll help you look for one.
What is this one?
That's regular polish.
So it's yours?
It's yours.
Oh, it's mine? I can use these ones?
Yeah, you can do that blue. You want to do this blue right here?
Can I have one more?
No. We'll just do this blue. You say you want it blue. We'll do this one, okay? But let me finish real quick, okay?
I want orange and blue.
I'll do both. That's fine. Alright, so really quick, I'm going to go in with my, I'm just going with my Gayoi top coat. Alrighty, so this is what the nails are looking like after they've been completed. But I will say, like I said, that was like pulling on the natural nails with using this McCart peel off. Hang on, sweetie. With using this McCart peel off, so you doing the video too? Okay. That's cute. But so yeah, I'm not sure if that's weird. I've not experienced that before. So, yeah, this is how the nails are looking. I'm just going to go ahead and apply some cuticle oil. Alright, you guys. Ain't she cute, though? Yes, it's a nice little basic General Mani. Like I said, that pulling at the tips kind of threw me off a little bit. Hang on, y'all. That pulling at the, what? Go get your nail dryer so you can dry your nails.
No, I need the white thing.
What white thing? So yeah, it's just a basic General Mani. Again, the pulling at the tips did throw me off a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my other hand off camera. I just wanted to demo the colors for you guys really quick. Really enjoyed these polishes. Like I said, they're nice, they're cute, they're muted, they're very in season. And so yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video and the quick gel mani that I did. Let me know what color is your favorite from this collection. I'm definitely feeling the blues, obviously. I might actually, on the other hand, go in with the greens. I'll probably do the sage green. I'll probably do the evergreen mist on my index and pinky, and then the frozen sage on my middle two fingers. So I'll probably just have two different manis on each hand. But yeah, I enjoyed using these products. Another special shout out to Madam Glam for sending these over for review. I do have a discount code with them. I am going to leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below in case you guys want to save some coins while you're shopping on their website. And yeah, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If y'all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope y'all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye. You want to show your nails?
Yep.
My daughter just did her nails too. She kind of low-key matching mines. And she did it with what is it? Sassy and Chic? I don't know. But she used it with some regular nail polish, and she is drying her nails right now. She is getting really good at painting her nails, y'all. What do y'all think? I think so too. All right, you want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye.
See you in the next video.
Oh, yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Really quick, I just wanted to show you guys what the other hand looks like. So my index and pinky, I did evergreen mist. Oops. And then on my middle and ring finger, I did frozen sage. So I just want to show you guys what that looks like. And these are the two hands I'm going to be walking around with. And I also did Jello peel off underneath this hand as well. So we'll see how they hold up.
And so,
Oh, and my daughter did her nails. She wants to show you guys. Go ahead.
and so my orange nails are gonna look pinker than the and then at the starter spell said, send age, if nano, if color, no shape, if no color, if a, oh, natural.
You want to show them?
And then
And that's the nail polish you used on that hand. You want to show the other hand?
and this one says, this one says, from colors, from seven and the seven, from seven, and in the country, and I want, and 0.5
0.5 fluid ounces.
Yep.
She's learning to read, you guys. Here, you want to show them the color?
Yep.
Okay, so that's the color she used on her right hand. That's what it looks like on.
And
So good job.
And this one is from, and this one is called this one. And we have one more. This is have one. It's dollar.
All right, bye.
And can I?
Yeah, you didn't even use that one.
No, so I just want to show it to him.
Okay, you can show it.
And it's called Purp Ice.
Pure ice, that's right.
Pure Ice.
Good job. Bye.
Bye. And can I show my